Hey Divas and Divos, it's me, Juslonda. Did I give you a look? Did I come through with the look? You know how I kind of feel like? I kind of feel like the little girl from Boondocks with the puff. But I saw this look on Nicki Minaj's Instagram and I wanted to see how well I can duplicate it. Now, keep in mind, her eye shape is different from my eye shape, and I do have a janky eye, but I think it came through. So, you know what? Let me know if you want to recreate it. Recreate it. You know, um, I'm rambling. So let's go ahead and roll that beautiful baked bean footage. Okay, so in my crease for my backdrop, it's my Fenty powder in 33 AD. And then I have Juvia's Place number 16. I set it with my e.l.f. powder. Just a little bit, not a lot. So the two palettes that I mainly want to work from is the Bubblegum palette as well as this palette here. I feel like I'm gonna need a greeny color. I mean, a brownie color, but we'll get to it when we get to it. So I'm actually going to start off with this shimmery color here, the green one, and put that on it inner part of the eye. And I'm going to try to hit it right here where my bone is at, because she has more space than I got. So I just need to make sure I get to it. Okay, so it does look like, now that I look at it, it does look like there's some orange bits in the front, so I can fix that later. I'm going to take, I'm going to change it a bit because I am darker than her. So okay, maybe I'll do it. We'll try bubbles for right now. Get out. Get out. Get out, Pinky. Okay. And I'm gonna go in with Sweden too. Yeah, that's much better. Let me just go in between the two colors because I like those colors together. I'm gonna take this brush here and just kind of blend it so it doesn't look so harsh. I'm going to take this orangey bit here and put that right in the front. I'm also going to take these two colors and basically try to kind of define it a little bit more, my shape. Now, just to blend out my harshness just a tad bit, I'm going to take my face powder and just go on top of it. Okay, so I'm going to line my eyes and put on my base and come back. Alright, so I have my base on and everything, so whatever I have on the top I'm going to do to the bottom, but it does look like she has more blue towards the bottom of the eye. So I'm just going to kind of mimic that hair. And then I'm just going to flip the brush over and just dip into the two colors, which is Bubbles and Sweetened, these two here. And do the remaining lash part. I also noticed that it looks a bit glittery here, so I'm going to go into this palette here and pick up Trust Issues and just put that on top of here. Hopefully that'll give it a bit of a glitter bit peeping through. If not, then oh well. Yeah, it didn't, but it's alright. No worries. I'll fix that later. Okay. So I'm gonna throw my lashes and stuff and come back and see if we did everything. Alright, Divas and Divos, this is the finished look. Can you tell how I am so excited about this look? Like, this look, it came through. Like, I'm like, yes! Even the puffs, like, I'm just feeling myself so much. Okay, so on my face, I have on foundation from Anastasia. It's 470C. I love this color much more than 480. For concealer, I have on Elf Hydrating Camo concealer, and that is in Deep Olive. For contour, I have on Epic out of my Sephora palette. I actually did bronze a little, and I used my Revolution, I believe is Deep. Dark Revolution bronzing powder. I use a peachy pink color for blusher. For highlighter, I actually use out of my Glow Kit dripping in gold, and I actually put some in the inner tear duct, and I actually wrapped it around my arch of my eyebrow. So that's what you see, that wrap around that goes there. The liner, gel liner, is number, what is it, $79.99 from Inglot, 77 from Inglot. The liner that's in my waterline, it is Sephora boyfriend jeans, my boyfriend jeans. The lashes are Velour T.O. The lip is a concoction because I was trying to get that lip. Pretty sure I had it in a lipstick, but I just didn't feel like searching through everything. So what I did was line my lip with Expresso from NYX. I put on Juvia's Place #2020, and then I topped it off with NYX Butter Gloss in Cherry Cheesecake. So yeah, this look is so gorgeous. Like, I am so impressed with myself. Like, when I was putting it together, I was like, go chick go. Go chick go. So yeah, let me know how I did on this look. And yeah, so I'm going to try to give you 2 videos a week. Wish me luck. Okay, and again, if you are a subscriber of mine and you do content, Yeah, let's collab. Like, I really want to see us in 2021. Like, I want to see us up there. There's no reason why we all can't eat. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, Divas and Divos, thanks for watching, rating, subscribing, all that good jazz that makes me feel so warm and fuzzy inside. Peace and peace. Bye.